How to add the Google TV widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold an empty spot. Now go down and tap on Widgets at the bottom. Next, we then scroll down and then open up Google TV. In here, touch and hold on the Google TV widget and drag it to the home screen and let go. And that's it. Here you need to connect to you need to set up your Google TV before you can use it. There is also a remote button. You can tap on it, then tap on allow, and here you will be able to set up your Google TV. Tap on allow, and then connect to one of your TV. And that's it. Once you have connected and set up your Google TV correctly, there will be a display of your Google TV details. And that's it. If you want to remove the widget, simply touch and hold onto that. Then tap on the remove button and you'll be able to remove the widget from the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.